Hello everyone, so I have a project share, and this time I have some embellishment boxes that I made and I want to share them with you. But first of all, I want to let you know that this is a project for Polkadoodles, and again I did use some of the rubies. I used 2 of them, and I just want to show you what they all look like. There are 2 collections from the rubies. There is the first collection, and then there is rubies 2. Please, you guys, please always check the description box. I almost always have all of the direct links in there so that you don't have to be waiting, so that way you don't have to ask and be waiting for me to answer you back. So what I did was, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I used this self-laminating sheets. But the ones in the project, and including this one, I used the one from Scotch. This is the one from Dollar Tree. So I wanted to try those out and compare them. But this is the one from Scotch, and it is pretty nice, as you can see. I really do like the way that came out. It looks really nice. So here's the first embellishment box that I made. So I decided to use this girl, and this paper collection is by Knitwit, and it is called Cottage Garden. I have a crochet doily here in the back. This says, wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. And here is some trim from Hobby Lobby. Here is just a cluster of flowers, Prima, I Am Roses, or it might be Wild Orchid Crafts. This is from Downtown LA. This is an earring from Walmart. And let me show you the second one before I show you what's inside. So here is the second one, and it's pretty much the same layout. As you can see, a crochet doily in the back. There's that ruby girl. This one says, love makes all things grow. I added a double bow right here, and then this time I added the trim, the whole entire trim, and I added the saying in the center. And then this is also from the paper collection, Live, Laugh, Love. Now let me show you what it looks like inside. Both of them are pretty much the same. So here's that one, and here's the first box that I shared. So as you can see that they are pretty much the same. I just have a variety of things, you guys. Just some stickers, some little this has some bling and some beads, just some little doodads, flowers, bows. These are just some pretty bling stickers. These are earrings. No, actually these are rings. These flowers are from Daiso. These are word beads, some paper bows, and these really pretty flowers are from Daiso. And as you can see right here, I doubled that paper, so I attached another pattern paper to the back so that, when the person who receives it, it's not doesn't just see white. I wanted something other than just white. I wanted to have some type of pattern paper. And these embellishment boxes are from Dollar Tree. And there they are one more time. Let me get you a closer look. And they're really easy to put together. And what I like about these embellishment boxes is that instead of you having to put all of these little things in baggies, this is just a nice way to gift little things like this to your swap partners or in friend mail or whatever you like. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I used the laminating pouches without having to use a laminating machine. So like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the 2 embellishment boxes, the girls, plus this one, I used this one. It is by Scotch, and it is a 5x7 pouch. They do have them in a bigger size and in a smaller size as well. And because this is a bigger size than the one from Dollar Tree, I was able to fit 3 of the girls, and this one I'm only going to be able to fit 2, and I will show you how that's gonna look like. So here is my sheet of paper, and I'm gonna have to put them kind of like at an angle, or you know what, maybe not, maybe I don't have to do that. Okay, yeah, so just like that. Okay, so the way this works is I'm going to open this up, and on this side I'm going to place facing down I'm going to place my images. So that one's gonna go there, and I think I had decided to use this one. Just like that. And then I'm going to remove this center piece right here. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to position them one more time. Then I've removed this one right here. So this is sticky right here. So I'm just going to press on it down. Just like that. And then I'm going to open this up again. And I'm going to remove this. But I'm not going to remove it all the way. And I'm just going to press on it. Just like this. And normally, I think last time I used a bone folder. So let me go ahead and grab that. So basically what I'm doing is I'm pressing on it down so it can, and I'm also trying not to get any air bubbles. Which honestly, the first time I did it, I had no trouble. So it should be fine. Okay. And that looks pretty good. I think it looks really, really good. So I'm just going to press on it one more time. And then I'm going to cut them out with my scissors. Okay, so whenever you fussy cut anything out, you always want to have the scissors do all the work, and you just move the paper around. So let me go ahead and take these apart really quick to make it easier for me to cut it out. So I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this out. And you can see that, of course, because it is a self-laminating pouch, it's not, I don't know if you can tell, but it is not adhered. You can see it right there where it's not adhered all the way to the edge of the paper. So I'm going to cut, pretty much what you're going to do is leave a border. So this is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to cut it right before where it's not adhere onto, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to do that to this whole entire piece. And as you can see, I am moving my paper around instead of moving my scissors, because that is the way I learned how to fussy cut. And I'm sure that there are a lot of tutorials here on YouTube on how to fussy cut, you guys. But this is the way I learned. I learned this from Christina Warner. And I'm pretty sure you all know who she is. And this is a video from years ago, when back then I didn't understand what was the whole fuzz about fussy cutting. Okay, so almost done with this piece. And then I'm going to speed up the other one. So look at that. That is pretty awesome. Okay, and here they are. Here is both of them. Let me see if I can get another sheet of paper. There you go. I think you can see it better there. And honestly, you guys, they feel pretty much the same. But for some reason, I think the ones from Dollar Tree feel better, feel sturdier than these. These feel more flexible than this one. Yeah, definitely. So I think they are the same quality, if you ask me. The only difference is the size. And even the color. I think the color, I mean, you can see that it is see-through. But you know how sometimes anything plastic or see-through can look sometimes yellow? I honestly think that the color is the same. Look at that. What do you think? So here are the girls that I just laminated. And one more time, here are my embellishment boxes. And I love, love, love the way this came out. And I didn't mind making more of these because I actually have a project in mind. Okay, that is it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below on what you think, or just comment something nice. It doesn't matter what it is. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will try my best to answer them. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.